Yes, hello class 2. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are doing good in your home. So, with this, I'm going to start your video class of subject computer. So, welcome back all of you in our video class. So, in this video class, I'm going to prepare a computer video class on basis of this chapter 5, and the chapter number is using the keyboard and Wordpad, in which I'm going to show you first of all the uses of keyboard, means all the keys. I am going to show you all the keys, and second, a new typing software. It is a Wordpad, is a word processing software. So all the things I will explain in this video. Okay, so first of all, I am going to show you about the keyboard. So for that, I am going to use the keyboard and my laptop computer. And in that, I will show you first of all the number keys, alphabet keys and the special sign. So let's see. Yes, student, this is your keyboard. This is your keyboard, and in which I will show you first of all the number keys, means from 0 to 10 or 0 to 9. 0, if you want to write 10, you have to use both key 1 and 0 for writing the 10. If you want to write 11, press 1 key 2 times. Likewise, you can use the number keys. Okay, so second, it is the alphabetic key. Alphabetic keys means there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. आपके अल्फ़ाबेट में कितने कीज होते हैं? 26 अल्फ़ाबेट कीज होते हैं from A to Z. If you want to write capital letter, you can write so. If you want to write small letter, you can write also the same. I will show you in the practical also. Now, next is the special sign. Here in the number key, yes, this is the special sign printed on the upper top of the number keys. This is special sign, as you can see. Yes, like this. Now, the time to open Wordpad, because with the help of Wordpad you can type text. So if you want to open Wordpad, go to the start button. It is present at the left bottom corner of the screen. Simple, just click on that, and from the program list you can select the Wordpad, or you can simply type here in the search program WORD. Yes, this one is a Wordpad. Double click on it, then your Wordpad window will available on your computer screen. Maximize your window, and this is your cursor position. Just go and increase the cursor position. Listen everyone, when a key is pressed, the CPU takes action accordingly. Means whatever things you will type, your CPU will process accordingly. As you know, CPU is the brain of computer. Like your brain will work after getting instruction, like similarly the CPU will work after getting the instruction. Okay, so likewise, opening a menu, deleting a character, all the things as per command given, your CPU will work. Next, whatever you type, it will typed at the cursor position. This is the cursor position, and whatever you type, it will be typed at the cursor position on the screen. Means from where you can start typing, there if it is available your cursor position. Okay, means everything you can type from where your cursor position available on the screen. Let us know about the cursor first. So About the cursor. A cursor is a small blinking line. A cursor is a small blinking line marked in the typing window. The white area, it is known as typing window. Here you can type letter, number, character, whatever you can type. So a cursor is a small blinking line marker in the typing window. It shows the position where the next type character will appear. So from the cursor position you can type text. So as you keep on typing, the cursor will keep moving. So if you will type anything, your cursor will moving. As you can see, I am showing you. Okay, now come on page number 37. We have completed up to page number 36. Now please come on page number 37. Typing program. So what is a typing program? To type on a computer, they are special program to assist you. This program are called word processor. This is a word processor, and in a word processor you can type word, letter and number. Okay. Now classification of keys on keyboard. So student, you should aware of the type of key available on the keyboard. Means if you want to write letters, you have to use the alphabetic keys. If you want to type number, you should use the numeric key. And if you want to type some special character, then you need to use all the special keys. This is the special keys. Okay, and here is symbol. If you want to type symbol, you can type so also. So first of all, I am going to show you the use of alphabetic keys. With the help of alphabetic keys, you can write letters from A to Z class. Now it is the use of alphabet keys. Now for the numeric key, what is the your class? Your class is 2. It is the use of numeric key. And how you can type 2? With the help of this key. You can type 2. Okay. But if you want to type special key, what you need to do? You just use the shift key along with this key. Means if you will type only single this key, then you can type number. But if you will use in the combination of shift key, you can type special sign printed on them. How? Let's see. शिफ्ट विथ 1 है ना, इसको एक साथ प्रेस करना है. शिफ्ट 1, शिफ्ट 2, शिफ्ट 3, शिफ्ट 4, शिफ्ट 5, शिफ्ट 6, shift 7, shift 8, shift 9. Likewise, you can type the special signs. Okay. Now next, numeric key we also completed. Now next, I am going to type some more and will show you the uses of cursor control key. Yes student, this is the cursor control key. If you want to move your cursor upward, then you will use this key. If you want to move downward your cursor, then you need to use this key. If you will move your cursor right hand side, then you need to use this key. And if you want to move your cursor left hand side, then you need to use this key. So likewise, I am going to show you. Now my cursor position is here. So I want to move my cursor upward. So I will use the upward cursor control key. This one. If I want to come backward, so I will use the backward cursor key. Yes. And for right, I will use this key. By the help of this key, I can move my cursor at the right hand side. And again I want come to the left hand side. So to the left hand side, so I will use the left hand cursor control key. This is left cursor control key. Up, down, right, left. Okay. Now please turn your page number 38. Special keys. So how many special keys? Caps lock key, shift key. There are 2 shift key available on your keyboard. Where? first shift is here and the second shift it is here. Okay, then this is a space bar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is a backspace key. Okay, and this is the caps lock. Wait a second. This is a caps lock key light and this is a num lock key light. Okay, and I will show you all the things one by one. First of all, first activity is for the caps lock key. So we have an activity. We have to type computer. We have to type computer. Okay, go and increase the size. Okay, now if I will use this key normally, then I can write in a small letter COMPUTER. Now I will use the caps lock key. Means if I will press this key, then this light will open. Caps lock key light will open. It's turned in green. Like this. Means your caps lock key has on. Now it means you can type in a capital letter. So COMPUTER. Understand? Means if you will not use the caps lock key, you can write in small letter, but when one time if you will press the caps lock key and the green light will on, caps lock key light will on, means now you can type in a capital letter. So after that, when you complete your work, don't forget to turn off the light. Yes. Now again your caps lock key has off and you can type a small letter COMPUTER likewise. Okay, understand? Okay. Now next is a space bar key. Space bar key, it is provide you a space between two words and sentences. Suppose I will write my name SHILPA, then without space, if I will write my surname, it will look like this BANERJEE. So now you understand the value of space. So now I have to come on my proper position with the help of this cursor control key. Left cursor control key से मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ. Then I will press the space bar key. Then I will get space. Okay, so space bar key gives a space each time it is pressed. आप जितने बार ये की प्रेस करोगे उतना आपको स्पेस मिलेगा. So you must have observed that in any typed or written text there is a space after each word. So this is done with the help of the space bar key. Understand? Okay. Now I am going to show you a activity. It is given in your book page number 38. So yes, here I am going to write computer is fun. COMPUTER. Computer. Then one space is, then one more space FUN. है ना? So here you can get space because of the space bar, this space bar key. Okay, now remember student, the space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard and only unlabeled key on the keyboard. It is actually unlabeled. मतलब हर की के ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ लेबल है, कुछ लिखा हुआ है, but स्पेस बार की के ऊपर में कभी भी कुछ नहीं लिखा रहता है. द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द स्पेस बार की दैट इट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड और ये अनलेबल्ड होता है, इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं लिखा होता है. ओके, नाउ कम ऑन पेज नंबर 39. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट द एंटर की. What is the enter key? The enter key when pressed while typing will move the cursor to the next line. Means if you want to move your cursor into next line, you need to press the enter key. And in a keyboard, there are two enter key present there. Okay. So, if I will press enter key one time, then you can observe that I get a new line from where I can start my typing. So each time if you will press enter button, you get inserted a new line. So with the help of enter key you can move the cursor to the next line. मतलब आप यहाँ से आपका कर्सर यहाँ आ जाता है, कौन से लाइन पे, नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आ जाता है. So we have activity for that, for enter key, activity to use the enter key. So type a short sentences. So I'm going to type short sentences. V space है ना, आफ्टर वी मुझे क्या यूज़ करना है, स्पेस बार की यूज़ करना है. वी स्पेस बार की, देन ऑल, देन प्रेस एंटर, देन ARE, देन प्रेस एंटर, देन गुड स्टूडेंट GOOD गुड स्पेस STUDENT students. Okay, so now you understand the use of enter key. Means if you want a new line, if you want to move your cursor in a new line, you have to press enter key each time whenever you require the new line or you move your cursor into next line. Okay, now our next key is a backspace key. Backspace key, what is the use of backspace key? First of all, you have to understand that in a keyboard, this is a backspace key. The arrow denoted to the left hand side and here mention the backspace. Okay, so this is a backspace key. So the backspace key act like an eraser. ये क्या वर्क करता है, किसी वर्ड को, सेंटेंस को इरेज करने के लिए वी यूज द बैकस्पेस की. व्हेनेवर यू टाइप समथिंग रॉन्ग and for erase anything we use the backspace key. It work like an eraser. So we have activity for that also, but first of all we need a new line. So if we want a new line, we need to press enter key to get a new line. So here I am going to type computer, COMPUTER. Means as you can see there is a mistake, the word M, and I need to erase this. So for that I need to move my cursor with the help of this cursor control key, left cursor control key. I move my cursor after T here. Okay, so then press the backspace key. So if I will press the backspace key, it will erase the M. Okay, so the character will get erased. Now my spelling, it has corrected as a computer. So if you want to erase anything, you just put the cursor and press the backspace button, then your character will get erased. Okay. Now our next key from the page number 39, using the shift key. This is the shift key. So what is the use of shift key? I will show you. There are two use of shift key. First, if you want to write capital letter and you don't want to use the caps lock key, आप अगर कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना चाहते हो और आप कैप्स लॉक की ऑन नहीं करना चाहते हो, so you can also write in a capital letter by using the shift key with combination of this all alphabet keys. Means if you want to write capital A, then you need to press shift along with A key, A alphabet key. So how? Shift A, shift S, shift D, shift F, shift G, shift H. शिफ्ट के साथ हम लोगों को ये अल्फ़ाबेटिक जो की है वो प्रेस करना है. इससे क्या होगा, हम लोग ये स्मॉल लेटर, ये जो भी लेटर होता है अल्फ़ाबेटिक लेटर, इसको कैपिटल में लिख सकते हैं. एंड वन मोर यूजेस ऑफ दिस शिफ्ट की मीन्स इफ़ यू वांट, एज यू नो, इफ़ यू वांट टू प्रिंट दिस साइन, है ना. So you need to press shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, shift 4, shift 5, shift 6, sorry, shift 5, shift 6, shift 7 and shift 8, shift 9. ऐसे आप लोग प्रेस करेंगे तो ये साइन प्रिंट होगा. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ शिफ्ट की. नाउ प्लीज टर्न योर पेज एंड कम ऑन पेज नंबर 40, in which I will show you about the numeric keypad. This is your numeric keypad. It is present on the right hand side of the keyboard, and this keyboard will work if this numeric keypad will on. And how you can on it? With the help of numlock key. अगर ये numlock key press करते हैं और ये बटन ऑन होता है, ये ग्रीन लाइट ऑन होता है, then only your keyboard will work. How? Now I'm going to type here 1, but it will not work. 2 not work, 3 not work. Why? Because my keypad key, they all are off right now. Now I'm going to press the numlock key. The green light will on. Now your this keypad will work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. All the thing will work from numeric keypad. After using numeric keypad, please don't forget to off this numlock key. मतलब जैसे ही आपका ये काम हो जाए, similarly caps lock की तरह numlock को भी ऑफ कर देंगे, then your procedure will complete it. Okay. Next, introducing the Wordpad. Right now we are doing typing in Wordpad. So Wordpad is a word processing program. You can type anything. You can create your document in a Wordpad. You can type here notes, letters, essay, etc., etc. So if you want like typing, so you can type your essay here, you can type your letters here, you can type your rhymes also here. So please do practical and try to type your favorite essay in the Wordpad. ओके, आप लोग इसमें अपना फेवरेट ऐसे टाइप करके अपना प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू प्रैक्टिकल फॉर सेलेक्टिंग अ टेक्स्ट. For selecting a text, so for that I am going to type the same text given in the page number 40. All the things I am going to type here. Yes, so I have typed here a sentence. Wordpad is used to type letter, but before you start typing you must select the text. So how you can select the text? With the help of left click. First place your cursor from where you want to select your text. कहाँ करना है place अपना cursor? जहाँ पे हमको select करना है. So one left click. एक left click, move your mouse cursor and one left click, then your cursor will move there. Then with the help of left click, drag the cursor from where you want to select your text. Means I want to select up to this much only, then drop it. Okay, so with the help of dragging before you start typing, so drag the mouse toward the end point of your selection. This is the starting point. So here you can start the dragging, drag it, and this is the end point. So here you need to drop your left mouse button. So by which you can select your text. So first step, place the cursor at the point where you want to start selecting the text. सबसे important है, फिर से मैं बताती हूँ, देखो ध्यान से, हमारा कर्सर अभी कहाँ है? यहाँ है. तो सबसे पहले कर्सर को ले करके जाना है जहाँ हमको सेलेक्ट करना है, यहाँ. देन वन लेफ्ट क्लिक, देन लेफ्ट क्लिक को ऐसे दबा के रखना है, होल्ड करके छोड़ना नहीं है, और माउस को ऐसे मूव करना है माउस पैड में. ओके, सो कहाँ तक इसको सेलेक्ट करना है? दिस इज द एंड पॉइंट. It is the activity selecting a text. Okay, so text has selected. Now come on page number 47. In a page number 47, changing the font type. So a font is a set of printable or displayable text character in a specific style and size. So applying a different font to text. अब हम लोग इसमें क्या करेंगे, फॉन्ट स्टाइल चेंज करेंगे. तो फॉन्ट स्टाइल कहाँ से चेंज होता है, दिस इज योर होम टैब एंड दिस इज योर फॉन्ट ग्रुप. यहाँ पे हमको क्लिक करना है, दिस इज द ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट. इसमें क्लिक करते ही दिस इज ऑल द टाइप ऑफ वेट अ सेकेंड, मैं दूसरा सेलेक्ट करती हूँ. ओके, again this is all the type of font style. So whatever style you will select, it will change according to your choice. Okay, yes, suppose I will choose this one. So now you can understand, this is the font type I have changed by selecting here. This is the drop down list. You need to just after selecting text, always remember आप लोगों को text select करना पड़ेगा. कंप्यूटर को ये बताना पड़ेगा कि आपको कहाँ पे चेंज चाहिए, पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट में चेंज चाहिए या पर्टिकुलर किसी लाइन में चेंज चाहिए. तो उसके लिए स्टेप नंबर 1, इट इज़ ऑलवेज इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड मैंडेटरी, सेलेक्ट योर टेक्स्ट. तो टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट करने के बाद गो टू दिस ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट एंड यू कैन गेट लॉट्स ऑफ फॉन्ट टाइप एंड फ्रॉम देयर you can choose accordingly yours. Okay, now yes, so we have completed. Okay, now in a page number 41 here, changing the font style means this is the font type. Now changing the font style. The font style available are bold, italic and underline. Means B, this is bold, italic, this is italic, and U, this is underline. So how will it look like? I am going to show you. This is the selected portion. So it is, always remember, select the text. It is a, no, I need to write again, press enter key. Then a font is a set of I need to change the font type also, and I will choose, yes, I will choose the Calibri. Okay, now I am going to type here a font, F-O-N-T. A font is a S-E-T set of C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R-S characters in a S-P-A-C-I-F-I-C specific style, S-T-Y-L-E style, full stop. Okay, so set of characters, I will change in set of characters. So step number 1, place your cursor, drag it, wait a second, place the cursor, drag it, okay. Then step number 2, click on the button related this is first, it is bold, italic and underline. So if I will click on bold, it will change as a bold, है ना. अभी ये देखो bold दिख रहा है. Okay, so पहले ये कैसा था, पहले ये सिंपल था, but after selecting bold, this is the bold. If I will choose italic, ये थोड़ा तिरछा हो जाएगा. It is a italic style and underline, नीचे lines आ जाएंगे. So this is all the 3 activity, bold, italic and underline. you can do by your own, then only you can understand the practical. Okay, now next one is a okay, yes. Now again, come on page number 42. I'm going to explain you about the changing the font size. Means you can increase or decrease the font size. So for that, step number 1, it is always remember, select the text. Then this is for your increasing or decreasing font size from this drop down list. So click on the drop down list, this, click on here. Then according to your selection you can increase increase or decrease, yes, or decrease the font size. So yes, so here I use the 24. So by this way you can decrease your font size as well as increase it. Okay, note, you can also click on here also. I am going to show you for increase or decrease the size of the font. If you will choose, wait a second, yes, so this is the command for increase the font, grow font मतलब increase करने के लिए, उसको बड़ा करने के लिए, and this is for shrink font मतलब उसको छोटा करने के लिए, shrink सिकुड़ता है, छोटा करने के लिए. Okay, so this is one more command for increase or decrease the font size too. Okay, so next and last is changing the text color. So I am going to increase this, and this is the option for changing the font color. And always remember, step number 1 is select the text. Okay, so if you want to change the color of the text, go this drop down list and you can get a color pan. This is a color pan, and whatever color you will choose, your word, your character will change on that color only. So if I will choose the red color, click on it, one left click, and the color of the text has changed. Okay, so select the text. Then step number 2, click on the arrowhead button. So this is the arrowhead button. Select the color. If you I'm going to show you this one more time. Select the text. Step number 2, click on the arrowhead button. This is the arrowhead button. Click on that. Then select a color from the color palette. It is a color palette, so select a color. I am choosing here the yellow color. Okay, yes. Then the color of the selected text will change. Yes. This is how we completed our practical. The last one from the page number 42, changing the text background. So the background of color can be changed by following this step. So what are the steps? Always remember, select the text. Move your cursor, then drag your cursor from the starting point to the end point. Then click on the arrowhead button along this. Okay, so step number 1, select your text. Then step number 2, changing the text background. So this is the command. Which one? This is the command for text highlighter. This is a text highlighter. Again, click on the arrowhead button. Click on the arrowhead button along this, then color palette. Okay, select the color from the color palette. So if I will choose the green color, the background color of the selected text will change, and click on that. Now the background of the text has changed. This is actually text highlighter. So if you want to highlight any line or any sentence in your document, at that time you can choose this option, है ना. आपको अगर highlight करना हो कोई word या कोई sentence अपने document में, तो आप कौन सा command use करेंगे? Text highlighter. It is also known as changing the text background. So all the practical we have completed. I hope you understand, and afterward if you having any doubt you can ask me in the live classes. So all the doubt we will discuss there. Okay, so complete your practical work, student. Have a good day all of you. Bye.